Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor competitors. Whether you want to track their blog posts, press releases, product updates, or social media activity, RSS feeds allow you to gather all this information in one place, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. Okay, let's imagine you run a coffee company and your biggest competitor is Starbucks. To stay ahead, you need to monitor their website and social media for product launches, promotions, and company updates. Here's how you can do it. Go to your competitor's website where you want to monitor updates. In our case, it's Starbucks blog. Copy the URL of this page and paste it into the RSS generator. Click Generate, and the feed will be created automatically. Keep in mind that you can also use the builder to generate a feed from a specific part of the website. You can also create multiple feeds from the same website but for different sections. This works well if your competitor has separate pages for news, blogs, and product updates. Now, let's get back to our generator. Today, it's hard to imagine any business operating without social media. That's why our next step is to create a feed from social media accounts to track competitor updates. Let's start with Instagram. Copy the URL of the competitor's Instagram account. Paste it into the RSS generator. Click Generate, and the feed will be created automatically. Now just save the feed for a moment. Next, let's create a feed from Facebook. Copy the URL of the competitor's Facebook page. Paste it into the RSS generator. Click Generate, and the feed will be created automatically. Now, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to create a feed from social media. Let's do the same for other platforms: LinkedIn, X or Twitter, and YouTube. All right, now that all our feeds from websites and social media are ready, let's move on to bundles. Bundles allow us to combine multiple RSS feeds into a single feed, making it easier to track everything in one place. Go to Bundles and click on New Bundle. Use the search bar to quickly find all our Starbucks feeds. Select each feed: website updates, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube, to combine them into one streamlined feed. Now, instead of checking multiple feeds separately, you'll have one centralized competitor monitoring feed for all their latest updates. We can add our competitor monitoring bundle to one of our alert bots. We support Discord, Telegram, Slack, and Email Digest for easy tracking. Let's check Slack. Click on Create Slack Alert. Allow permissions for our bot. Select the Slack channel where you want to receive updates. That's it. As you can see, our Slack bot will now automatically send updates whenever our competitor posts something new. You can also use Email Digest to receive regular updates via email, making sure you never miss important changes. This way, you'll always stay informed about what your competitor is doing without manually checking multiple sources. That's it. If you have any questions or need assistance, visit our Help Center at Help RSS app. We have FAQs, useful articles, and guides to help you get the most out of RSS app. Check it out for more tips and support.